How to draw a Diplodocus dinosaur. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a big upside down U right in the center of the page. Next, let's move slightly to the left and let's begin to make a circle with a dot in it. This will be the first eye of our dinosaur. Now by using a curved line, we're going to connect the eye that we just made to that big U-like shape in the center. Nice job! Now let's move back up by the eye. We're going to begin to make the front of the face. Great job so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. This is coming along very well. Now we're going to begin to make the bottom portion of the face, and then we're going to begin to make a second curvy line that will help make the neck of our dinosaur. Next, we're going to begin to add in a second eye, along with eyebrows. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawings every single day. Fantastic! Now we're all done with the face. We're going to move below that big U-like shape in the center, and we're going to begin to make the feet of our dinosaur. Be sure to go at your own pace and pause the video if you need to. Now we have an open space. We're going to add in a tail to the right side of this open space by using a big triangle-like shape that is slightly curved. Now remember before how we made the feet of our dinosaur? Well, now we're going to use small U-like shapes that are upside down to make the nails. Later on in the video, we're going to color in these nails purple, or any color that you choose. Now to add detail to our dinosaur, we can use small circles and small lines on the outside. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that other people can draw our dinosaur as well. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.